Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Boy, what another great day here. We picked up discounts and got things lower, and now look at where we are. Fantastic, looking really, really great. Things are improving all the time. I've not sold any of my positions. I've added and I've held, and here we are again. So consistently beating the market, consistently beating Warren Buffett. Oh yes, look at this, looking very nice indeed. Let's go through our portfolio, check around the studio, make sure we're all good. Yeah, we're all in place, and welcome everybody. It's the Robinhood earnings coming up after hours tonight, and we have got a great day lined up for you. All right, let's get straight into it. Okay, let's have a little look. As you can see, my portfolio is very green again, very nice indeed. Roth IRA is green, and my overall balance is 54,000, approaching that all-time high at 58. We're not quite there, but hopefully we'll be there in a couple of weeks. Very likely, hopefully. I believe it will happen. Hopefully, I want to break 60,000. Right, let's have a look at where we are today. Looking very nice indeed. Let's go through our portfolio and see where we are. I want to share this with everybody. Is Dream High in the chat? Is Dream High in the chat? Let me just have a look. No, she's not. I want to thank Dream High. I had a video come out earlier today, and this is one of my very first super thanks on a video. It was a lovely surprise when I saw this. I put the Virgin Galactic video out. It's something that you can do if you want to comment, highlight a comment below a video like this. You can, and you can do a super thanks. Look at that. I never seen one before. I was like, wow, look at that. Very, very nice. So if Dream High comes in, I want to thank it. It was this video. It's my Virgin Galactic video I put out earlier. And, this one here, I'll just share with you. Where's the thumbnail somewhere? Virgin Galactic earnings. I put this video out earlier, and I got this comment underneath with a $20 super chat. Never had one of those before. So anyway, I will share with Dream High when she comes in. Anyway, my portfolio is up today. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic is rallying very quickly. We've got the earnings now tomorrow night. I'm up 10.7% on Virgin Galactic. Palantir is up. Gold is down. Not in it. S&P is up but falling back. Amazon, so expensive right now. We should not be buying Amazon. Now, you might go, well, hey, what the hell? But the thing is, you want to be in a portfolio where you can go to sleep and wake up and you're up, not find you 20% down. Jojo says, what's the crack? Hi, everyone, says Stephen Lewandowski. Warren Buffett recently filed a huge multi-billion-dollar loss. Bless him. Hey, guys. Delph, how are you? Lovely to see you in the show. I think you were here. Let's have a look. Delph. You were here before we went live. Before we were members only, I think. No. Everyone can chat at the moment. Okay. Everyone can chat at the moment. Hi, Crag. Hi, Joe. Lovely stuff. Tio Roll. Hello, everybody. Okay, we're good. So Amazon, Apple, still going up. Too expensive. Next Zero Energy going down. I'm buying it. Enphase Energy, nearly $80 again. Coca-Cola is up. I'm now up 4% on Coca-Cola. I'm loving it. Wasn't it the best buy, the best investment? Up nearly 4%. With those dividends paying out in December. I've got $2,500 worth of dividends now across the board. Not just Coca-Cola, across the board, but I'm very, very happy to own the company rather than own the stock price. J&J is taking a dive again, but I'm not buying any more just yet. It doesn't make too much sense because I bought it a lot lower. The last time I bought J&J, I paid $145. So even though my average is still down, I'm not going to pay I'm not going to pay 151 when I've got enough. And I paid 145. So I'm not going to jump all over that. I'm going to, if it goes below 145, 140, then of course I will buy another 20 shares and bring the share price down dramatically. But I'm not doing that until it does. Kenview, Lovely rally today. Remember, I told everybody it was one of the best value stocks on the stock market. It started an IPO. It was all the way down. And as you can see, we're doing really well on it now. We've got 2,000, 4,000, 4,100 or so shares. It's a big position in my portfolio. Pays a great dividend. I'm not selling any of it. Don't need to. It's there if I need to raise some cash. Chevron down again. Not good news. Tesla, only 3% out of the money. Rivian up. McDonald's down, just down 2. Google, I'm now making money on Google. Look at that, 1.6% up now. Very nice. I made 50% last time I invested. AI to release earnings after hours. We are covering Robinhood earnings after hours. I can't do both, I'm afraid. Best of luck with space earnings, buddy. Tomorrow night, yes. Hey, everyone. Hey, Jojo. MSK. Hi, all. Henrik from Denmark. Hello. Hi, Mike. Bill. W. Bill is here. James, so keen on space earnings. So, is our good lady in Dream High? Is Dream High in? I want to see if Dream High comes in. I want to thank her for giving me my very first super thanks. It's a comment below a video where it highlights your comment, as you can see here, and it's awesome. You will actually see it a lot brighter than that. I've got dark mode on, so you can't really see it as bright as you will see it. So keen for space earnings, James. Yes, we're covering the earnings live. Virgin Galactic is up today, 2.66, looking nice. Now then, while I've been gone this afternoon, there's lots of things to tell you about. Lots of really cool stuff. I want to share it with everybody. Let me just check a few things. Yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. Welcome everybody on TikTok this afternoon. How are you all doing? Lovely to have you. I invite you to click my little star, become one of my subscribers. You get lots of extra perks and benefits. One of those things is I tag you in my viral videos and invite everyone to follow your account. I only do that for my subscribers. I've got 37,500 subscribers, followers. So if you follow me, if you subscribe to me, I will promote your account for you. All right? Okay. And if you double tap the screen like that, it will share it to more people and we'll see who becomes the top liker of today's show. All right. Okay. Now then, let's get through the comments. MSK, hi. Right. What was it I wanted to share with you? There was something. First of all, I want to say a big welcome to all our viewers over there on Rumble. There you go. Hi, Rumblers. Thanks for joining in. Let me welcome my guests on Facebook and X. Let me bring them all into the show. Here we go. This is where we're live. Let me just refresh that. This is where we're live on X right now. This is Facebook. There we are. If you drop a like on Facebook, it normally shares it on the screen. You can leave a comment if you like. There we go. There's Facebook and there is X running at the same time. Thank you to all of you who are liking the stream. Appreciate that. And thank you to my new followers. If you leave me a comment, I reply. Camilo Hill, if you are one of my YouTube members, I always reply to you and answer all your questions. So there you go. Thanks for all the messages over there on X. Thank you so much indeed. All right. Is Hood always doing earnings on a first Tuesday? I couldn't say about that. No idea. Rivian, earnings after market, hoping on a little crash, want to buy in. I said last week to wait a few days for end phase. MACD about to cross on chart. It's a watch for the rest of the week, as could pop a bit shortly, in my opinion, says Jojo S. Virgin Galactic going up again. Robinhood, let's look at it. I am up 5.38%. We're looking to hear about the UK entry tonight. That's what we want to hear about. Crag, thanks, Joe. Mate, really hoping for a pop up in my average so I can release some funds to lower my rumble. There it is. That's what we're talking about. All right, IonQ up. Rocket Lab up. We've got the flights around the corner. Still down 5, but not to worry because I can trim off. I've got overweighted at the moment. Plug down today, but moving up. Procter & Gamble down. Rumble, I'm not in it anymore. Funware is up today. Faraday up 3.5%. Still down 80%. It's not worth anything. It's rubbish. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin up 1.46, 35,000 now. Matic down slightly. XRP down very slightly, 1%. So there we go. Is my dream high 576 girl in yet? This is my super thanks I want to thank you for. I've never had one before, so I was quite excited about it. Okay. Let's see where we are. Now then, a few moments ago, I put out some new videos for you, members only video. I hope everyone has seen it. We've got 168 members currently. I know we haven't had that many view it yet. So if you look on the homepage of the channel, you will see members only videos. This video has just come out. Members only. In here, you have the referral for Alpha Spread, and I have got everybody a 10% discount, which will essentially get my YouTube membership for free. So that's the idea. If you sign up for Alpha Spread, you will get my membership to my channel for free. Another one of those amazing perks of being a member of my channel. So I will give you Alpha Spread referral. This is for everybody if you want to get Alpha Spread, which is what I use for my, to research my stocks and do all the presentations. There it is in the link. If you click on that, that will give you the link to Alpha Spread. It's in the chat for you. If you click here, you will get the members only video, and in there I give you a code in that video. It's a minute-long video, and then if you want to, you can get a 10% lifelong discount, which will get you my membership for free. Pretty good, right? I'm always trying to raise the value of my memberships for my members. It's why everybody's a member, right? You get 20 times back what you put in, if not more. Now, also, in the last few minutes, I did post some information. I did a review on the earnings, just a brief earnings for Virgin Galactic tomorrow night. Also, a Blink review. If you're interested in Blink, I did a full review using the software on Alpha Spread and other things. Okay, Blink review. There's Ring Central earnings. If you missed it, I've edited it now and tidied it up for you if you want to watch that. The Uber review. I did a full review of Uber. I forget who it was now, but someone asked me to do a Blink review. So I've done that for you. And one of the members asked if I would do a Blink review. So I've done that, put it out. It's there for you. There's your Alpha Spread if you want to learn about how to beat the market. And get the 10% off. Earnings tonight for Robinhood, and there is the Uber earnings as well. If you missed the Uber earnings, you want to catch up. So a few videos just come out that you might want to catch up. Top tip: if there's no red line underneath it, you've not watched it. You've not watched it. You see how I watch my own videos when they first come out to test them? There's a couple I haven't watched yet. You see that? Look, there's no red line there, and there's a red line there. That means you haven't watched the video. All right? Anyway, let's go back to the homepage, and we got the Robinhood earnings after hours. I'm going to give you that in a second, and then we got Virgin Galactic earnings after hours. So let me give you the Robinhood earnings now, so you can join me for this live event tonight. I'll post this in the chat. Here it is now, Robinhood earnings, and I'll pin it to the top so you can find it. Can we get a quick Fisker review? I could do as a member, I can give you a quick review if you want. Yeah, if you'd like a full review, Lance Strength, you are a member, I can do that for you if you'd like to request it. Anyway, there is the Robinhood earnings. Let me pin it to the top. All right, there you go. That's the Robinhood earnings. Lance Strength has asked for a Fisker review, and I can make it, put the video out for you, and everything else. So anyway, we've done that now. Okay. Let's have a little look. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's have a look. Tio Roll. Martin, by your experience, is it good or bad if a stock rallies into earnings? or couldn't tell. It changes. Every stock's different. There's not a golden rule to it. Really, you want to see if the expectations is down, if there's any good news hovering around. Buy the rumor, sell the news tends to work most of the time. If there's a reason why a stock is rallying really great before an earnings, takes them off the table, wait for a drop. However, if you expect the earnings to be really great, there might not be much, but there's always profit taking and there's always a dip. So there's always a lot of traders do just earnings. They jump on earnings because there's always some volatility with it. So, you know, people can be getting out of the stock, taking profits, then buying it back afterwards if they're expecting a downturn. There's all kinds of opportunities to be made on an earnings. Leaked reports. Remember the famous incident when Amazon went down 10%? That's when I bought it. Remember that? So anyway, buying some oil soon for a swing trade. Oil dropping again, looking for 75 or lower a barrel, currently 77 now. Hopefully MTDR price around $54 or lower. Can we get a quick Fisker review? Lance, I can do that for you. Yes, give me a second. Kev Zickles, how are you? Martin, checkout suggestion on Discord for latest. Aha, we've got it. Oh, we got Stormin Norman. Has become
Stormin Norman has become a member.
A silver member. Well, a silver member gets even more benefits. I prioritize the higher members now because we've got so many members. But also you go on the homepage of the YouTube channel if you request it. You can also have a 20-minute fundraiser gig. You can have a concert of your own, a wedding, a birthday, anniversary. You get that for free. You don't have to pay me thousands of dollars to hire me. You can get me to do a live event for your fundraiser gig. Once we get to 10,000 subscribers on my music channel, we're going to do them over here where we can do a fundraiser for you. As a silver member, you can have that for your favorite charity, and all the money goes directly to your charity. This is my music channel. Please go and subscribe to that. We are 5,500 subscribers now, so we're just over halfway there. Once we get to 10,000, I can do fundraiser events in your name. I do it completely free, no fees, no charges, and the money will go directly to your charity, and you can be very proud and happy that we raise money for you. So Stormin Norman, congratulations. Welcome to our family. Now, because you are now a member, you can access the members only videos here, and we've just posted one how you can get a 10% lifetime discount on Alpha Spread. So essentially your membership, a bronze membership, is free. So we're trying to always increase the value, and there are many things that you get as well. Of course, I'll answer all your questions now, review stocks for you, and reply to all of your comments, and all the other members only live streams, members only chats, members only perks. You'll get all of that. So Stormin Norman, one of the things that you get now is upgraded on our Discord channel. So if you take the next 10 minutes to sign up to Discord, it's free for everyone, but you get extra perks and benefits. There's Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through security. Once you're done, come into the welcome all screen here. I'm sure one of my members will jump in now and say, hi, welcome. Let's see who does it this time. Somebody will come in here, welcome you in. Takes 10 minutes to get in, but once you're in, say hello, and I will upgrade you in there, Stormin Norman, to give you all your perks and benefits with that as well. And don't forget, on your birthday, you can donate it to somebody if you want to, or keep it yourself the day before, the day of, or the day after, just in case of the weekend. Let me know it's your birthday, and I'll celebrate your birthday with you live on the show, and you get to keep the video for that as well. Many, many perks, but mainly Stormin Norman, thank you for your support as a silver member. It's the memberships that pay for the live stream. So thank you so much indeed. What do we expect from the from the plug earnings? I haven't reviewed that one yet. I will be looking at that tomorrow. I bought Space at around 20, which feels like a mistake now, but I believe in the company. So I've been averaging down, and now I hold 500 shares at 588. Phil Longhurst. Are you the guy I was talking to on Facebook a few moments ago? Someone, I think it was you, Phil, on Facebook, and you were asking me this question, and I said, come into the live show, and I will answer your question. I believe, was that you? I have returned, Stormin Norman. I thought I'd seen the name before, so thank you so much indeed for coming back. I appreciate it. Happy to be back. Thank you, Stormin Norman. Please take advantage of all the perks and benefits you get. Right then, someone asked me to look at a quick look at Fisker. I can only do a quick look now as we get in a lot of questions, and I have to go members only in a second because it's getting very busy in the chat. So just a very quick look. If you'd like me tomorrow to do a full review of Fisker, looking at the balance sheet, the inside trading, all of that stuff, then let me know and I will do it for you and make a video on it and a back test and all of that stuff. But just for now, I'll have a quick look at it. Fisker engages in technology of automotive business model, which involves vehicle development, customer experience, and sales and service. It also designs, develops, manufactures eco-friendly electric vehicles. Okay, it's a penny stock. Anything under $5 is. It's currently not making any money, but it's moving in the right direction, and it isn't losing too much by the looks of things. A short look. Who buys the stock? Always want to look at who buys the stock. It tells you how it trades. Lucid owners buy it. Not good. Don't like anything with Lucid because Lucid is a terrible community. Unfortunately, the owner, Peter Rawlinson, robs all the money, $500 million a year. The cars lose $500,000 each. The Lucid army, as they call themselves, are very aggressive. They are very abusive. A lot of false information. Very bad. I don't like anything that's connected with those, and people invest in that as well. Nikola, not too bad, but NIO's a Chinese stock. Don't like that. Don't like Zhenping either. So there's a few risky signs around this already. Without doing a balance sheet review and a margin review, I could do that for you on another show, but it's not one I would touch off the bat. But anyway, I'm happy to do a deeper dive at some other point if you'd like me to. And as a member, I am very happy to do that for you. Stormin Norman, how's the family been doing? Miss me? Cannot wait to see what Martyn has installed for Robinhood. Stormin Norman, I love it. EYL, hi everyone. Hi EY, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? We have paid members in 43 countries around the world. It's fantastic to have you here. Right. Stormin Norman, get yourself on Discord. I will upgrade your account. Just go and say hello because I need to, as you're returning, I'll need to upgrade your account. So just go into, if you want to use Discord. If you don't, that's fine. But it's a way for you to call into the show, see the trades, talk to all the investors, all the members off air. It's a great community to use, a great tool as well. So I'll see you there if you decide to come on in. Okay, now then, we've got just half an hour to go. Virgin Galactic is rising. I'm from London. London, maybe it's because I'm a Londoner. EYL, it's lovely to have you here. I'm from Cornwall. My home is in Cornwall. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. That's where I am at the moment. Now then, just for those of you who have just come on in, I've just partnered with Alpha Spread, and I've negotiated a deal which is the best deal that anyone can get. 10% discount, which gives my membership for free. If you're interested in that, it's what I use as one of the tools I use for researching my stocks. You have to pay for it, but you can get a 10% discount, which gives you my membership for free. If you go and check out my members only video here, you will get a code which will give you a 10% discount. If you're not a member and you want to pay full price, that's absolutely fine. Here is the why you would, I don't know, when you can get it for free, my membership for free. There is my referral to Alpha Spread if you want to just be a non-member and pay for it. All right? Okay. Always trying to bring my members the best deal. Now then, is Is our lady in yet? Is Dream High here? I want to personally thank Dream High for giving me my first ever. No, she's not here yet. I had my first ever super thanks under a video. This is where you go into the comments, leave a comment, and it highlights it. And I can't believe it. It's the first one. So I pinned it to the top, and so everyone can see it. And really, really cool. If you look at it, it's on underneath the Virgin Galactic earnings for tomorrow night video, and it stands out more than this. It's because I'm in dark mode to make it look better for you, but it stands out even more. Anyway, let's have a look. Martyn, I think you removed Discord links for YouTube, so I'm using suggestions. Links for YouTube is not gone. Let me have a look. Links for YouTube. I think you removed Discord links for YouTube, so I'm using suggestions. No. What you may have done, you may have clicked a subcategory and closed it. That's what you may have done. You may have clicked a subcategory and closed it. Links for YouTube is there. There it is. So you may have just closed it. But no, it is there, or hidden it for yourself. You can unhide it if you've done that, but there it is. You've gone into suggestions. Okay. Suggestions. Let's have a look. Jojo S. This is end phase. Watch middle section, MACD, blue line. It may shortly cross the red line. Let's have a look. The MACD short rest of the, yes, maybe a buy indicator from the top section. I want to see the price breakout for the upper. See, that's great, but I have done, and I'm going to show everybody. This is very useful information. We can see the MACD here preparing to cross the red, which indicates a buy signal. However, as you know, I'm not all about the charts. We use charts. Thank you for sharing that, Jojo S. It's really good. I have done the research on the company, the people. I'm speaking on the ground to friends at Enphase through my X and Instagram. I know the value of the company, and I know it's going up. I don't rely on what a chart tells me. However, there is information here to be had, and Jojo S is right. It could be a good sign, but we shall see how it goes. It looks like it's going to go up again. I know it's going to go up, but I am looking for 2 quarters down the line when it 3x's. That's what I'm looking for. That's why I hold $20,000 of Enphase. Thank you ever so much, Jojo S, for sharing that with us. And let me give that a nice big thumbs up. There you go. Mike loved it. Mike loved it as well. There we go. Mike loved it. That back to here. Make sure we've given everything a like. Welcome all. I don't see Stormy Norman in. Oh, there we go. I knew Mike would do it. Welcome in, says Mike. It's waiting for Stormy Norman to come in. If he does come in, we'll see him there. Right, now then, let's move on. Octavio, where do you see Amazon by the end of the week, up or down? Well, we have a rally. We expected the rally. People are favoring what they know. However, I do believe when we get to the end of the year, certain stocks like Amazon, which is overbought, will be dropped. Whether it will be dropped by the end of the week, I don't know. I'm not buying it here. I bought it at 99 and made a 50% profit. Did very, very well. Amazon's a great company, but it's too expensive. It is growing. It's a wonderful company. Great margins, great profits, but it's overvalued. Just like anything. You know, if a can of Coke is worth $1, are you going to pay 10 for it, expecting the world to only have one can of Coke left and everyone's going to want your can of Coke? I don't see that. Amazon is good, but I just don't see it being worth this amount of money. No matter how much it goes up, it can just go straight back down. And like I've always said, I'm a value investor. I'm looking for stocks where I can wake up and be up, not one day find my stocks have gone down 20% because they were overvalued. Discord is beyond me. Just happy to be back. No worries, Storming. I gave super thanks before for NVIDIA earnings back in May. Oh, I'm sorry, T.O. Roll. That's such a long time ago. I can't remember. I'm sure you did. I just can't remember now. I've slept since May. Not very much, by the way, but I have slept since May. So I apologize, T.O. Roll. Thank you for doing that. I just couldn't remember. I don't remember when I last saw one. It's a very rare occurrence. Obviously, it's rare. You did it last in May. So thank you very much. I love listening to you from the Netherlands. Sturk Spring Kussens. Sturk, let me speak to you. Look at Virgin Galactic. Look at my portfolio. Look at my portfolio. Look at this, folks. Beating Warren Buffett again. Consistently, on average, beating Warren Buffett and the stock market. There we go. Look at that. All from $5,000. Very, very good. Okay. Let me just speak to my Dutch guest, who is a guest right now. Let me just have a quick look. He's called Sturk. Welcome, Sturk, to the show. Welcome to you and all your friends and guests in the Netherlands. I play regularly in Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam. Wonderful place, and thank you for joining me. Here we go. I'll put that in Dutch. And we need to go to this screen to play it. Here we go.
Welkom vast in de show. Welkom bij jou en al je vrienden en gasten in Nederland. Ik speel regelmatig in Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam, een prachtige plek en bedankt dat je erbij bent.
We've got a Russian comment here. I believe. Here it is. I'm just translating it.
Hello Martin, I would love to become a sponsor of your channel, but now this is not yet possible from Russia. Hello everyone friends.
It is possible to become a sponsor and a member from Russia, because I have several members now from Russia. You can. I only got a couple of days ago. So yes, you can. You just might need to use a VPN. So I will address you in Russian to make it easier for you. Hi Hamster, welcome to you from Russia. It is possible, as I do now have a few members from Russia as paid members. I believe you might need to use a VPN, but it is possible. So that's the way you can do it. Thank you for joining me. Okay. This is Russia. Here we go. This is for you.
Привет, хомяк. Добро пожаловать тебе из России. Это возможно, так как у меня сейчас есть несколько участников из России в качестве платных участников. Я думаю, вам, возможно, придется использовать VPN, но это возможно, поэтому вы можете это сделать. Спасибо, что присоединились ко мне.
Indie Bones, hi Martin, I'm loving, let me just go down to you. Hi Martin, I'm loving the content. What do you think of ENVX? I've never looked at it before, but I can do a full review for you if you want me to. I can't do it right now. In fact, I could do it right now, actually. If you become a member in the next couple of minutes, I can actually do it for you. I could do a full review. I've just about got time, I think. I might just have time to do it for you now, but thank you very much. Jojo S. Hi, Martin. Martin, you used to invest in AI through Amazon, correct? Now you sold Amazon. Where's your AI investment? Google. Where else is it? It's in Google, and it's in, of course, Tesla with Dojo. I think Dojo can compete with Google. Where else am I in? So I think, Google and Tesla. Robinhood has some AI perhaps, but yeah, Google and Tesla will be my main ones. Yes. In AI, but struggle to identify best strategy, advice, appreciated family. Yeah. How do you apply for silver? Says Lance Smith. Let me just get to Lance Smith. Lance is one of my members. What you do, Lance, is you go on to the homepage here, and you can see your level, and you can just upgrade at any point. You can upgrade to any level, or cancel, or whatever you want to do. So yes, you simply just upgrade on the membership tab. That's how you do that. Ask the family, missing for me on Discord. Sorry, I found it now. Thanks, Martin, for telling us how to find it. Yeah, you basically close tabs, and that's what you did. I'll come visit you in Amsterdam. Wonderful stuff. I'd love that, Sturk. That'd be awesome. I think iNod is a good AI buy. I think the best way to buy AI right now is Google, Tesla, and Amazon, because they all have strong balance sheet, strong structure, diverse portfolios. They've got the capital, the money behind them. I think rather than buying AI3, is it A13, A3C, whatever it is, Google, maybe Microsoft, but it's too expensive. Amazon is expensive, but it does other things. I'd say Amazon, Google, and Tesla, you've got AI. All right, I really do. Which VPN do you guys use? There's many. I can't recommend a VPN. There's thousands. Can I ask you? Can I ask how you turned $5,000 to $55,000? Did you keep adding money to the account? Because all I've seen is your big losses. How I turned $5,000 into 55. Did you keep adding money to the account? Yes, of course. I've been adding money to the account. How can I explain this? Like people say to Warren Buffett, if the stocks are down, they say, hey, what does it feel like to have lost millions of dollars? And he goes, I haven't lost anything because I haven't sold anything. I'd like to explain it just briefly, MZ. I can't spend too much time. I have to focus on the members, but just because it's a very important question, I will just give you a minute of my time. When I started investing 2.5 years ago, I bought at the top of a bull market. Did that on purpose because I wanted to be in the markets. You learn nothing from winning, everything from failure. So I came in at the worst time to build the most honest, real YouTube channel. That's why I started doing this. And after I was in for a few weeks, everything was rallying up, everything dumped. So essentially I started trading on the way down, trying to make money, and you can trade on the way down. I never short stock. I never do options. I've been in margin, I've been out of margin, and now I'm back in margin again. As you can see, my portfolio is up today at 1.54. It's up today, up on the week, 9.5%, $3,000. You can see that. My only income is what I make on this platform here. Indy Jones.
Indy Bones has become a member.
Thank you, Indy Bones. The only money I have is what you're seeing here. I only have literally a couple of bucks in my Bank of America account. That's it. All my money I own in the world is on view for you to see every day. It's why I go live every day. This is how I pay my bills with the Robinhood card, the bank card. All my money is in here. This is how I live. The only money I have added is what I've earned on YouTube. And for the first 1.5 years, and everybody will tell you because they were here from the beginning, the only money I earned here was on YouTube. The first 1.5 years, I've been going sort of 2.5 years now, was nothing. Zero. I earned absolutely nothing. And then about 1.5 years ago, I started to earn money. In the first few weeks, first few months, it was like $1 a day. And now it's moved up, and I think now we're sort of getting like $10 a day now. We're having a good run of super chats and members now. We've got 160 members, 170 members. People are joining all the time. That's what I live on. And that's what I bring into my portfolio. That's the cash that I add into my portfolio. I don't have another job. This is my job. I don't have a pot of money. This is what I do. And so you are following my real journey in real time, live. You see me post when I put money in. I put it on my X account. I share it with people. I tell people what I'm buying, tell people what I'm selling, share and show my actual account on the screen. You know, it's all here. This is my, my real money. This is my Roth IRA. This is my overall balance. You can see it. Now, I want to say, when I started investing, I like to use this as an analogy. Let's say I had 100 shares at $10. Let's say I had 100 shares of whatever at $10. I now have 1 million shares at $1. I've been constantly reevaluating, rebalancing, lowering my averages, taking scalp trades, making micro profits over and over again, lowering my averages. When I first had Virgin Galactic, my average was $35. My average now on Virgin Galactic is $1.57. So even though I'm still overall down, you might say, well, how are you overall down if you brought in 5,000, you're now at 55,000? Because I rebalanced my portfolio and I've been trading ever since, and that's how I've made my money. So I do it live in front of everyone every day. You can see it growing. You can see when I add money. I tell you, I show you. I don't know what else to say, really. Anyway, I think that's the best I can say. I'm not concerned about the losses. I'm not concerned what stocks I've lost money on. I'm only concerned where I'm making money, and I'm only concerned on constantly reevaluating my stocks, constantly lowering my averages, looking to improve my position, building the foundations, digging the ditches for when things improve. That's what I'm ready for. Okay, I'm learning how, if possible. Thank you, Hamster. Excellent stuff. It is possible, as I do have members here. Russian is also a cool language. It is, isn't it? Just making no hate, but need to fact check sometimes. MZ, I have no problem with you fact checking. The very purpose and the very reason why my channel is growing as fast as it is, and the very reason why 95% of my live viewers are members, is because we are. The most important thing is to be the most open, honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube TV. That's what it is. It's nothing if I'm not honest, and it can't really not be honest because I'm live every day and everyone sees everything I do. And at the end of the day, I want to be known for being the most honest, real, best live channel on YouTube TV. That's why I'm here. That's my aim. Not selling videos and sensationalistic headlines. I don't care about that. That's why I turn off. Why I make the shows members only. I'm losing. I could get more people in. I could have more people in. I could stop going live all the time and just make more videos. I would make money doing that. But my aim is to be live to serve my members, and my members who watch me every day know exactly what I'm doing. So I hope that makes sense. Anyway, Rocket Man, here he is. In fact, Will Ferrell consumed so much sugar while filming Elf that he actually became physically ill. If you've seen the famous spaghetti scene, what's all that got to do with it? That's some random comment, isn't it? What's the difference between invest on an ISA and trading on 212? Will be. I don't use trading 212. I prefer Robinhood. Robinhood's hopefully tonight coming to the UK, hopefully. What's the difference between invest and ISA? Right. I think what you're asking is I have two accounts. Let me share with you. I have my brokerage account. In my brokerage account, I trade, and every time I buy and every time I sell, I'll pay taxes on it. 20% short gains tax. Everyone's tax situation is different, so I can't talk about your particular tax situation. But if you trade here on your Roth IRA in England, it's an ISA. Roth in the US, individual savings account in the UK, you can trade as much as you like for free. So in other words, if you buy a stock on your ISA on your Roth and you sell it, that it's a tax-free gain. It's a tax-free profit. However, if you withdraw your money from your ISA, withdraw your money from your Roth early, and it depends on what you've got of what early is, normally 5 years, you will have to probably pay the match. Robinhood, as you can see, give a 3% match if you are a gold customer. You have to give that back if you do it too early, and you'll pay taxes on the gains. However, if you keep it and don't cash it out, in other words, withdraw it, not sell it's fine, but withdraw it, you won't pay any taxes. So what I'm trying to do is reduce the size of my brokerage account and increase my Roth IRA, because I can buy and sell as much as I want and never pay any taxes. That's how the rich get rich. Now, you might say, on a Roth or an ISA, you can only add so much money a year, and that's correct. In the US, on the Roth, it's about $7,500. Last year it was 7, it's now 7.5. But with 7.5 grand traded over and over again, you can turn 7.5 grand into 100 grand. So my Roth IRA could be $1 million. It doesn't matter. I can buy and sell tax-free all day long. That's the purpose of the Roth. So I've only had a Roth now for a year and a half, but I'm trying now to post losses or washes on my brokerage account, send the money into my Roth, trade on my Roth tax-free. That's the idea. What I have on the brokerage, there's no real advantage, but you can't use margin on a Roth account. You can't earn uninvested cash on a Roth account. So are you looking to save cash, earn on uninvested cash? Then you want to be in the brokerage. If you are looking to trade and invest and sell and take profits, you want to be in a Roth or an ISA. I hope that makes sense to you. Joe Biden has signed a new bill on AI, giving its Bill of Rights a full government support. And in your opinion, Sir Lucas, what are the top 5 AI companies that you believe in? As I've said, AI has to be, for me at the moment, Google, Amazon, and Tesla. They're buying up all the AI you need. Again, Jose Quintana, I've not forgotten your giveaway. I know it's a priority. We're just back to back with earnings right now. Okay, I don't think Google and Tesla is adequate investment in AI technologies. Will redesign platforms around AI or fail, but we need to invest in the future. I'm not sure. I think you're wrong there. I think Tesla with Dojo is gonna beat Google, but that's only my opinion. It's the honesty which brought me back. Flipping great channel. Stormin Norma. No, I love it. Thanks, Tio. I send you respect from Moscow. Love it. Yes, Jose, agree 100%. We need to identify generative AI research that moves beyond existing NLP algorithm. Thank you so much, Jojo S. Hi all, Zaxate. Let's keep going down. What's your opinion on Zax to review stocks? On Zax, I don't use Zax. No idea what that is. 20,000 per year on stocks and shares, ISA, tax-free. There you go. I've invested 40 grand in the last 12 months. I've been doing this. There we go. A week ago, I had 35,000. Now I have 46. Buying at the right time is so important, and this channel helps me all the way. Buckaroony. Buckaroony. Did you send me something somewhere today? I've seen the name today. Buckaroony, I've seen the name today. I'm just trying to think. Did you send me a message? Did you send me a message on Discord? No, I've seen it somewhere. Oh, yes. I knew it. I knew I'd seen it somewhere. Okay, Buckaroony, over here. Is this you? Ben P99. Is this you, Buckaroony? Is this you on YouTube? If this is you, I think we need to upgrade your account. Not me, mate. That's not you. At Buckaroo. Oh, I see. He's talking to Buckaroony. Okay, that's fine. It's not you. Just making sure. Oh, that's you, isn't it? That's you. Is that you there? Let me just check your roles. Whoops. Flipping it, come on. Yes, member. Nickname, Buckaroony. Are we friends? Remove friends. No, we're friends. Change nickname. There we go. You need to have the same name as you have on here. That way everyone can know who you are. There we go. Buckaroony. That's you. It must be you because you've got a membership. There we go. We've taken care of a business. There we go. So there you go. I've invested 40 grand in the last 12 months. I've been doing this. We could go add 35 grand and now I have 46. Exactly. Dig the ditches, come on the red days, do the hard work. The money will take care of itself. That's absolutely right. Flipping brilliant, Buckaroony. Geez, everything was down last week. Tomorrow exception for space, says Alex. Welcome in, Indy. Have I missed a member? Indy Bones, I'll come back to you in a sec. I'm scared for tomorrow. Are you? I'm not scared at all. Thanks, Martyn. You're doing a great job. Well done. Thank you very much indeed. My personal exemption for space is heading down. Interesting fact I did not know about ELF. Okay, I'm sorry, Martyn, for May. I'm sorry, Martyn, for May. Very bad English. Don't apologize. Not at all. The World Piano Man, Stock Man, #1 on YouTube. Thanks, Bill. Hope not, Jojo. No charge to withdraw in T12. I'm happy to discuss. I'll do my biggest super chat for Major Tom, David Bowie by Martyn Lucas. My biggest ever super chat for Major Tom. I love it. Hang on. Here we go. Ooh. Ground control to Major Tom. Sitting in the dark. And I'm waiting for what's the words? Yeah, to know. Ground control to Major Tom. Love it. There you go. A little bit of ground control to Major Tom. Exemption for expectation for Virgin Galactic earnings. Not great, but it's the discussion after where we're going to be in 1 or 2 quarters. That's what I'm interested in. It's the forecast, the projections, what I'm interested in. And I'm also interested in if they're going to acknowledge what we said as investors. My average is 12.14 EY. You can earn interest on uninvested cash on ISA account on T12. You can earn interest. Okay, you can't on Robinhood. There you go. Hamster, you're happy to opportunity. You are happy for opportunity to discuss for so many such. I'm not sure what Bill means there. Random fact: do you have shares in Coinbase Global Inc? It's up 2.76. No, not me, mate. Says Buckaroo. What expect prices space tomorrow? Fat Hala Hamza. Hello there. It's all about the forecast, which is what I'm looking for. Why does Robinhood lend out my stocks? It doesn't. It doesn't. You have turned it on. If you are a gold customer and you've turned on stock lending, then you can lend out your stocks. When somebody buys a stock, when someone does a contract, a short, they are using loaned stocks. The stocks are still yours in your portfolio. You can sell them, buy them any point. They don't leave your portfolio. They're still yours. Someone has attached a contract to them. That's all to create a connection to do a contract. You earn approximately 1% of those transactions, but I do it all the time. I loan out my stocks. I regard myself as a bank. You turn on or off stock lending. You don't have to do it. However, once you're in margin, as I am now, stock lending is turned off. You can only be in stock lending if you are not in margin and you've got a cash balance. If you have got margin, you can't, because you need to secure those assets to pay off margin if you suddenly collapse and needed some collateral. So Robinhood, your broker, won't allow you to lend your stocks out. Does that mean your stocks are at risk? Technically, on paper, yes, they have to say there's an element of risk to lending out your stocks. Just like with medication, you've got to say every disease known to man, you're going to have an issue with this drug. However, the reality is there's no risk in reality to lending out your stocks. I do it all the time, and I'm not currently because I'm in margin, but I do it all the time. You earn money from it. Why not? It's like being a bank, lending people money, to buy whatever they want. Some people say to me, why do you lend out stocks if you don't believe in short? Because it's when people are shorting the stock. I don't care what they do. If I'm a bank and I'm lending you money and you go out and buy cigarettes and give yourself cancer, am I responsible as the bank? No. I lend you money, you pay me an interest. What you do with the money is up to you. I'm not responsible for your money. Stock lending is the same. It's a great feature on Robinhood. I like it. I've made money from it, and when I'm out of margin, I'll be doing it again. So why does Robinhood lend out your stocks? Because you've turned the feature on. You can turn it off if you don't like it, but I use it all the time. Benjamin Perez. I'm Ben P99. Ben P99. Benjamin Perez, are you one of my members? Because if you are, I can upgrade your account. Let me have a look. Benjamin Perez. I'm just trying to see if you are a member of my channel. Where are you in the chat? Why can't I see you? Benjamin Perez. Why can I not see you? I found you. Benjamin Perez. Okay, you're not a member of my channel, so I can't upgrade you. If you became a YouTube member, I can upgrade your channel. You can call in, be on the show, and all the perks and benefits. But thank you for letting me know who you are, though. That's really great. Buckaroony says, yes, good morning all. Best YouTube channel in the universe, says Mike. Virgin Galactic, SIA, Space Oddity. Hang on then. Starman now. We've got 1 minute to go before the bell. Starman waiting in the dark. When I'm sitting here, I keep forgetting the words. How does Starman go now? Starman. I need the music. My radio, Starman. I can't remember out the bloody word. I need to have the music in front of me. Can't do it without the music. So there you go. Virgin Galactic, Wild. We got some German here. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. I can translate for you later. Okay, 15 seconds to go. Here we go. In the after hours, we got Virgin Galactic earnings.
Please learn Major Tom by David Bowie. Let's go Virgin Galactic big earnings.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. And we are off. A $20 super chat. You can sponsor the bell as well. I have a member here. Indie Bones has just become a member. Can I join in Rocket Man by Elton John? Yeah, now that is much easier. Yes, you can. Let me do it. So Elton John. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man I think I am at home. Oh no, I'm a rocket mayhem. All right, there we go. Rocket Man. Can I join in? You certainly can. Please sing a song. Talking Heads. We have the live concert every Friday night on my music channel. We've got to get ready for the earnings. If you want to be on my live concert on Friday night, every Friday night is music night on my music channel. You can request songs behind me in the studio. You can be there. We light up the studio. Here is my music channel. Please, everyone go and subscribe to my music channel, because once you do, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so we can do more fundraisers without any credit card fees and go directly to the charities. All right. Okay, this is good. Look at the portfolio now. We're up. I just zoomed that out for no reason. There we go. That's better. There we go. I have no idea why I just zoomed that. I've got to welcome a new member in and a super chat that's just come in. Let me just acknowledge that in a second. Right. Virgin Galactic is up. Robinhood earnings tonight, and it's firing up now. Here goes Robinhood earnings. We like it. I'm up 7% on it now. Okay, so Indie Bones, now you're a member of my YouTube channel. You can ask me a question, ask me to review a stock. You got access now to the members only videos. If you go below the channel, on the homepage of the channel, you will find I've just put out a fantastic video. I say it's not a fantastic. How can you say your own video is fantastic? You can't, right? On the homepage of the video, on the homepage, you will find the members only videos. In here, you can get a lifetime discount to Alpha Spread, and I'll give you the code there that you can get members only, and you'll get basically your membership for free. And I negotiated a great deal there for my members. It's a great deal, and there are many, many perks of being a member. So go and check that out. If you want the link to that, I'll give it to you now. Here is the Alpha Spread referral. If you want to use what I use to review stocks, you can use that. There it is in the chat for you. But if you use the members only video, which I'm going to give you now, it'll give you a code where you'll get a 10% lifetime discount. So that's really, really great. Okay, you want to use that. All right. Now then, Indie Bones, not only will you get perks and benefits as being a member, you can access Discord and I can upgrade your account. There are many, many perks of being a member of my channel. Here with Discord, it will take you some 10 minutes to get in because of the security. Once you're done, go into the welcome all. I've given you the link in the chat. Go into the welcome all and I will upgrade your account. Okay. Don't forget on your birthday, remind me as well, and I will celebrate your birthday. I want to thank Zach Zate a few minutes ago for giving me a wonderful super chat. We've got to go now for the Robinhood earnings. Let me just see what that super chat was for so I can thank him properly. Here we go.
Please learn Major Tom by David Bowie. Let's go Virgin Galactic big earnings.
Okay, I will make it one of my jobs to do to learn the song for you. Okay. Can you call your own video Fantastic Martin? I praise myself all that. Yeah, you can call it. Show this man some likes. Thank you very much. Pete Barker, Martin just got here. GBs and sold all my Rocket Lab and Space today. Not a good feeling for both earnings calls tomorrow. Do you want to take the risk? Good luck though if you're holding. Absolutely, I'm holding. I'm not selling anything at all. There is my Rocket Lab. I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling my Robinhood. Oh, there we go. We've had the drop for Robinhood. Now time to buy some more. The Robinhood earnings actually out any second now. It's gone down. We are down. No, not selling. I'm still up 2%. Yep. Okay, good. There's Robinhood. We haven't had the figures yet. We'll refresh again. We're going to be there with the Robinhood earnings in a second. Hopefully we'll get the good news about the UK. We've got a drop. I'm still up 2.6%. I'm not selling my position. I think, do I have any in my Roth? No, I don't. Only $9. My main position is here, and I'm up 2.39 despite that drop. I'm not concerned, though, and I'm also not concerned for Virgin Galactic either. Back to Robinhood. Okay, blimey. We've got to get ready now for the Robinhood earnings, so let's get ready. Now then, let's do a quick thing here. Are you ready? We're all getting ready for the Robinhood and the earnings. If you want those referrals, I've given you the link. Members only can get 10% lifetime discount. Great service on the Alpha Spread. I've just negotiated the best deal you're ever going to get for it. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. As we go into the Robinhood earnings now. We've got 61 watching. Only 50% of people are signed in to Google. Just the way it is, it's a shame. So 30 would be a good average. We got 23. 99.5% is our ratio for up liking. It's just so few, only half are signed in. So let's get it up to 30. We need 30 likes. You ready? Let's go. 30 likes. Everybody smash the like button. And then we'll go straight into the Robinhood earnings. I'm checking the figures as we speak. So come on, everybody, smash the like. The figures aren't out yet. We're expecting a 10% loss on shares, and 10 cents loss on shares. It's not out yet. The stock price is down. I'm not buying any more of Robinhood. I've got a good share in it. 25 likes. We need 5 more likes. Let's do it. And then we'll get straight into the Robinhood earnings. Indie Bones. We'll sign up for Discord soon. Review of NVEX would be good if you have time. Indie Bones. Could I do the review for you tomorrow morning? Because we are about to end the show. I will make it my first review tomorrow. But I will do it for you. And then I'll put it on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Would that be okay? Is that okay with you? If I do it tomorrow live in the show, then I'll post it as a video and you'll be able to see it tomorrow. A full review on ENVX. Let me just have a look. ENVX for... I can do it tomorrow. We've run out of time now. Indie Bones. Okay. 29 likes. We want 1 more like. I'm just waiting to see if Indie Bones is okay with me doing it first thing in the morning. Pete, I agree, buddy. Can we see space say? I'll take it up. Of course, no problem. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate it. You're very, very welcome. Thank you. We got 30 likes. We did it. We smashed it. Excellent stuff. There we go. Awesome stuff. 30, 31. We did it easy. Brilliant. Of course, no problem. Indy Jones. Total net revenues increased 29% year over year. What's this? What are we talking? What stock's this, Chris? What stock is this? Primarily, which stock are you talking about? It's all about the projections, though. Here we go. We've beaten on earnings. Robinhood has beaten on earnings. It was expected to be losing 10 cents per share, losing 9 cents per share. That's okay. That's okay. It's a bad month for Robinhood. That's okay. Not a problem. I'm not concerned with that. 85 million loss. They're still losing money, but they're investing heavily in the UK at the moment. All right. That's a very, very slight beat. Sorry, a very, very slight loss. I'm not concerned at that. I'm still up on the stock at 1.31. I'm not concerned of that at all. It went down. It became cheaper. I'm not buying any more at this price. We'll get probably a bigger dip tomorrow, but I'm still believing it's a 4 to 6x. So it's not a buy or a sell. We expect a bigger dip tomorrow after it all settles down, which is what typically happens. So I'm in a good position. I'm in a good position holding that. If it goes lower, then that's fine. I'm not concerned. I'm not concerned about that. All right. Okay. Thank you, Chris, for bringing me that information. Hood. Right. Okay. We're now going to go over to the Robinhood earnings. So let me make it as easy for you guys as possible. This video will go directly to Robinhood, and I will give you the link. Robinhood link. Robinhood is pinned to the top of the chat. If you can't see it, here is the Robinhood link. The Robinhood earnings will be live with me in a few moments. And on top of that, you can get a replay of it edited and improved for you as well later on. So let me just give you this now. Whoa, what a great day. view, what am I doing? I've got to just edit this. Customization, right, send you directly now to the Robinhood earnings. There we go. I've given you all the links. It will go there automatically, or you can use the link I've just dropped in the chat, whichever way you like. Let's have a quick look at how busy we are today. We've had 226 during the stream. That's nice. What's the busiest thing on our channel now is Virgin Galactic tomorrow at 279. That's going up. And of course, Robinhood's getting attention now. Any more subscribers? 419, 420. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Right. Let's get straight over then to the Robinhood earnings. This video will take you directly there, or I've given you the link in the chat as well. All right. We want to hear, because they've spent a lot of money going into the UK. Oh, now we're going down. So now we're down. Oh, now we're down 4%. Now it's worth a buy. I expected it to slightly miss. I can live with that. 0.9. Right. Today's return, 884. No, I'm still up. 889, 877. Okay, I can live with this for now. Right, I'm going to end the stream. I'm not bothered. I'm still up on it. I've got an average of 877. I'm very happy to just buy it cheaper. No issue with this at all. It doesn't concern me. I love what they're doing. If it goes below 850, which it might do, I mean, doesn't matter to me. I'm up on it anyway. I've got it 877. I don't see a major concern. They reference selling off Hood. Mr. T, I'm not sure I know what you mean by that. I'm not concerned at all. See, I'm up. Hang on a minute. Beg your pardon. Here we go. Down. So here we go. My Roth IRA is 877. So that's where I want to buy it. I'm down 2%. I beg your pardon. I was looking at my Roth IRA. I'm down. If it stays around 890, we're okay. I'm down 2%. I will nibble a bit more. Right. Going to end the stream. Take you all to the earnings of Robinhood. We'll be there in just a couple of minutes. So don't go away. See everybody back for the earnings. I'm getting ready to buy some more. If it goes down to sort of 850, I might double my position at 850. That's probably what I'll do. I will probably double. Yeah, 850. I might double my position. So I'm not too worried about that. All right. Okay. I like what the company are doing. So simple as that. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes, and thank you for joining me. Robinhood around the corner. Go there straight away. I've given you the link, or you can use my link in the chat. See you back in a minute. As always, take care of yourselves. And